In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add content in Zoho CRM mass email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a reusable email template, choose the right recipients, and send or schedule a professional-looking mass email from inside your CRM. Let's start by building the email template, since that's the content your mass email will use. In Zoho CRM, head over to the Setup area, then go into Customization, then Templates, and finally choose Email. This is where all your email templates live. Look for the option to create a new template and click on New Template. Next, Zoho will ask you which module this template is for. This just means which type of records you'll be emailing. Choose the module that fits your use case, for example, leads if you're emailing potential prospects, or contacts if you're emailing existing customers. Now you'll see the email editor. This is where you design the actual content of your message. Start by adding your subject line and main body text. You can format the text with headings, bold, italics, and colors to make it easy to read. You can also insert hyperlinks to direct people to your website, a landing page, or a document. If you want to include visuals, use the options to insert images either from your computer or from the web. Just make sure your images are clear, relevant, and not too large so the email still loads quickly. One of the most powerful features here is merge fields. These let you personalize each email automatically. For example, you can insert a field for first name or company name so that each recipient sees a customized greeting instead of a generic one. This helps your mass email feel more personal and less like a bulk blast. You can either build your template completely from scratch, or if you have existing templates, you can customize one of those to save time. Once you're happy with the content and layout, make sure to save the template so it's available for future mass emails. Now it's time to choose who will receive this email. Go back to the main Zoho CRM interface and open the module you selected earlier, such as leads or contacts. From there, select the specific records you want to email. You can use filters or custom views to narrow down your list based on criteria like lead status, location, or last activity. This helps you send relevant content to the right audience. With your recipients selected, look for the Send Email option. Depending on the view you're in, this might appear directly as a Send Email button or under an Actions menu as Mass Email. Click that, and an Email Composer window will open. Inside this window, choose the email template you created earlier from the list of available templates. As soon as you select it, all the content you designed will load automatically, including your formatting, images, and merge fields. Before sending, take a moment to review the sending address. Make sure it's coming from the right user or team address, and add a reply to address if needed so responses go to the correct inbox. You can decide whether to send the mass email immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is useful if you want your message to arrive at a specific time in your recipient's time zone, or if you're planning a campaign in advance. If your Zoho setup supports it, you can optionally configure follow-up actions based on recipient behavior. For example, you might update a field if the email is opened or clicked. This can help with tracking engagement and triggering later workflows. Once everything looks good, confirm by clicking Send if you want it to go out right away, or Schedule if you've chosen a later date and time. Zoho CRM will then handle sending the mass email using the content from your template, personalized for each selected record.